wonderful platforms like Optotax, which are available to each of us, we must ensure that technology is helping us to do reconciliations, are helping us to do certain things in advance so that possible litigations are reduced to the extent that they can. And even if there are litigation which do happen, then we're using platforms like Optotax and others where we can present records in a more crisper manner, in a more precise manner, and again, reconciliation and other features which these platforms provide. We must be able to present that to the adjudicating authorities and make, as I said, just simpler and more precise observations.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important updates.